Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create bookmark in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create bookmark in Publisher. Now select from a text. Now I select from text. Now click for mouse right button. Now click for copy option. Then bookmark create. Now going to the insert one option. Then click for a bookmark option. Now we showing the interface. Now paste from bookmark name. Now again click for mouse right button. Then click for paste option. Now click for add. That it's. Now we can see create bookmark in Publisher. Now I see the bookmark. That it's. Now you can see create bookmark in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for